Hello and welcome to day 3 of my Narrowboat diary. My name's Rich. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and then head in the comment section and leave a comment to say that you've subscribed, because we love welcoming all new stowaways to this adventure. It was a rough night's sleep last night. We had a takeout because we celebrated getting into Stourbridge, but we had a takeout and it laid heavy all night. So after a rather sleepless night, I got up early, got the Kelly kettle underway, and made coffee. And then the Hatchlings got on with their home ed. It is the Easter holidays, but we just do a little bit in the Easter holidays just to keep their hand in each day. And then we went to check out Fleur's seeds, which Sarah got for her, a stowaway who we met in Wombourne. She's been sowing these seeds and watching them grow day by day. And then I hit the workshop. I made some earrings for Sandra from 2 farthings. And then I made a ring from some copper pipe, a pendant from copper pipe, bracelets from copper pipe as well. And then I made a ring for the boater next door, John, as well, which was lovely. We swapped gifts. He gifted us a painted horseshoe and we gifted him a copper ring as well. And then the Hatchlings went off to the Red House glass cone, which is just up the Stourbridge Canal, and you can get to it. They got to it actually via the road up there. I haven't yet gone, but they sent me over some pictures which I'll put up and share with you, so that you can see what they got up to. And then in the evening they just was on the towpath playing, and just as I sit here to do today's diary, what happens? As they say in the Black Country, it's a bit black over Bill's mother's. That's a Black Country saying, that it's about to rain, and it certainly is. You can probably see in the cut there at the moment. So yeah, just a quick update today. Back in the workshop, as I say, which was absolutely fantastic. Really, really what I needed. But it was a long, exhausting day, and I'm ready now to hit the couch, have a cup of tea, and maybe read a good book. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.